Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Flow app. So if you also want to use Flow app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Flow application. If you haven't downloaded this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you've created your account in Flow. Creating your account is very simple. You'll have to answer few questions and after that you'll be able to create an account. After you create an account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the Today interface. From here, you'll be able to access several informations. You can check your daily insights over here. You can also find the information about your symptom, your cycle summary, cycle history, etc. You can also log recent periods. Simply tap on the option Log Recent Periods. Now from here, you'll be able to log the recent periods. You can also log the symptoms over here. Simply tap on the option Log Symptoms. Now from here you'll be able to log the symptoms. At bottom you'll be able to see several icons over here. You can see the icons for today, insights, secret chats, messages, partner. You can check the insights over here. You can also chat secretly. You can also send and receive messages. Also you'll be able to link a partner. Now if you tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your profile over here. You can also see your goal. You can also see other informations. Now tap on the option Edit Info that you can see right over here. Now from here you'll be able to edit your information. If you want to log out of your account, you can simply tap on the option Log Out and after that you'll be able to log out of your account. Let's go back. Now you can see the goals over here. You can see three options: track cycle, get pregnant, track pregnancy. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you can also access other options over here. You can get the graphs and reports. Simply tap on the option Graphs and Reports. Now from here you'll be able to check the graphs and reports. Let's go back. Likewise, you'll be able to check the cycle and ovulation too. You can also access the settings. Simply tap on the option App Settings. Now from here you'll be able to access the settings. Let's go back. Likewise, you'll be able to access privacy settings, code and reminders. If you want help, you can tap on the option Help. After that, you'll be able to seek the help. Like this, you'll be able to use the Flow app. Using Flow app is very simple. So that is how you use Flow app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.